First semester BCom examination, March-April 2023. NEP solved question paper. Commerce, Business Management and Startups. Section A. 1. Answer any 6 sub-question. Each sub-question carries 2 marks, 2x 6 equals 12. A. Define scientific management. According to F.W. Taylor, scientific management is knowing what you want men to do and seeing that they do it in the best and cheapest way. B. Expand PODSCORB. PODSCORB, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting and budgeting. C. State any 4 features of motivation. It is an internal feeling. Motivation is a complex process. Motivation of each individual change from time to time. Motivation produces goal-derived behavior. It is a continuous process. D. Give the meaning of informal leader. Informal leader is a person who does not have official or formal authority towards group, but other group members consider him to be a leading force. A. What is venture capital? Venture capital is a way of financing capital by investors to rapidly growing companies for its startup and promote project. Investors join entrepreneurs as co-promoters and share risk and returns. F. What is Mudra Yojana? Mudra, Micro Units Development and Refinance Agencies, loan scheme under Pradhan Mantri Yojana is an initiative by the Government of India that offers loans to individuals and MSME with help of banks. It does not need collateral. Mudra Yojana is offered under 3 loan schemes, namely Shishu, Kishore, Tarun. G. What is Kitchen Incubator? It is a business incubator focused on the food industry. Specialty foods are typically high valued, and at least in the beginning, low production. Entrepreneurs who want to make a profit have to successfully package, market and sell their products too. Kitchen incubators provide help with all these. H. State the objectives of Single Point Registration Scheme, SPRS. To accelerate government purchase from MSME. To avoiding of multiple registration. Government is the largest buyer of goods and services. Section B. Answer any 3 questions. Each question carries 4 marks, 4x3 equals 12. 2. What are the essentials of a good plan? It should be based on a clearly defined objective. It must be simple. It should be appropriate. It should provide for a proper analysis and classification of action. It must be flexible. It must be balanced. It must use all available resources and opportunities. It should be free from social and psychological bias. 3. Explain the features of startups. Features of startups. Startups are emerging in a big way in small-scale business. Startups will not remain as startups forever. Growth is one of the aspects which decides the success or failure of startups. Startups in small scale, trade or in small services owners will be happy. Startups are not aiming to be just another company to serve the society with its product or service. Or, features of startups: innovation, technology, scalability, growth, age, risk. 4. Describe the functions of incubation centers. Assist the incubators in creating a sustainable, scalable and profitable business model. Conduct events and inspirational programs. Provide training and mentorship to entrepreneurs. Build a strong team with adequate knowledge and experience in guiding startups. Incubators provide assistance and resources for conducting market research. Incubation centers bring credibility to the company. 5. Distinguish between leader and manager. 1. Managers will develop business objectives for the organization. Leaders will focus on objectives which are developed by managers. 2. A manager interacts with the leader. A leader interacts with the employees. 3. A manager gives instruction to the group. A leader works with the team. 4. Manager thinks about short run. Leader thinks about long run. 5. Managers focuses on efficiency. Leaders focuses on effectiveness. 6. Explain the requirements of sound motivation system. Willingness and interest creation. High productivity. Efficiency in work. Reduce absenteeism. Fewer disputes and strikes. Better human relations. Section C. Answer any 3 questions. Each question carries 12 marks. 12x3 equals 36. 7. Explain the advantages and disadvantages of line and staff organizations. Advantages of line and staff organization. Easy decision making as work is divided. Greater coordination between the line and staff workers. Provides workers the opportunity for growth. Clear chain of command. Increased innovation. Flexibility. Disadvantages of line and staff organization. Conflict may arise between line and staff workers due to the improper distribution of authority. Staff members provide suggestions to the line members and decision is taken by the members. It makes the staff members feel ignored. High costs. Over-dependence on staffs. Delay in decision-making. Complexity. 8. Explain the different styles of leadership. Autocratic leadership. Democratic leadership. Free-rein leadership. Charismatic leadership. Transformational leadership. Visionary leadership. Transactional leadership. Servant leadership. Situational leadership. 9. What is design thinking? Explain the stages of design thinking. Design thinking. Design thinking refers to the set of cognitive, strategic and practical procedures used by designers in the process of designing, and to the body of knowledge that has been developed about how people reason when engaging with design problems. Stages of design thinking. Empathize. Define. Ideate. Prototype. Test solutions. 10. Explain about the GOI initiative of Software Technology Park of India. STPI is an organization set up in 1991 under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology engaged in promoting IT industry, innovation, research and development, startup products, artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, animation, data science and analytics for various domains like gaming, mobility, cybersecurity, drone etc. Objectives of STPI. To promote the development and export of software and software services including IT. To provide statutory and other promotional services to the exporters by implementing software technology. To provide data communication services including value-added services to IT. To promote micro, small and medium enterprises by creating environment for entrepreneurship. Services provided by STPI centers. Statutory services, incubation services, datacom services, consultancy services, STPI call location services. 11. What is global business leadership? Explain features of a global business leader. Global business leadership. Global business leadership refers to the ability to manage, guide, and inspire teams and operations across multiple countries and cultures. It involves understanding global markets, fostering cross-cultural collaboration, and driving success in an interconnected and diverse business environment. Features of a global business leader. Visionary thinking, cultural intelligence, strong communication skills, strategic thinking, ethical and social responsibility, global networking skills, global mindset, innovation and creativity, lifelong curiosity, good negotiator, deep self-awareness. Thank you. Subscribe.